How to recover deleted videos on YouTube. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up YouTube on your device. Make sure it's updated to the latest version. So once you do that, go back to the home screen. Tap on the home screen icon at the bottom left corner. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on your user icon. Again at the top right corner, tap on the settings icon. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now here you can find an option for send feedback. Simply tap on it. Now wait for some time. Now click on get started. Now on this message box, simply describe your issue. Now once you do that, simply tap on the send icon at the bottom right corner. Now wait for the YouTube team. Now click on continue. Now select yes. Now wait for some time until YouTube team contact you. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.